Hi there, I'm Chef Bugsy and this is Get Veganized. Get Veganized is a vegan baking and cooking channel where I take your carnivorous recipes and turn them into your favorite vegan recipes. Before we get started, I'd like to remind you to subscribe, like, and comment. Tell me where you're coming from below. Alright, let's get started on today's recipe. Today I'm going to make a mushroom gravy. Quick and easy mushroom gravy for my baked potato. First ingredient is a tablespoon of vegan butter. We want to melt this. Got a little extra piece there. Now to make the base of the gravy is always the fat and flour, some sort of flour. So once this melts, I'm going to add a tablespoon of flour. There we go. Now you want to stir this until it combines, and then you want to cook it so the flour taste is gone. You know it's done when it starts smelling like burnt popcorn. This is called a roux. This is what it'll look like. Now we cook it for a little longer, or medium heat. Let it sit for a minute. Okay, now we're going to turn the heat down. Add some mushrooms and some juice of the mushrooms. By the way, this is canned mushrooms. You can use fresh. We'll stir this up, incorporating the roux into the juice. And I like my mushroom gravy to be brown, so I'm going to add a little soy sauce for the color. Alright, now that that's incorporated, we're going to add some vegetable broth, a little at a time, until it gets to the consistency you want. I like mine a little thicker, but this is for my roommate, and she likes it thinned out. A little more soy sauce. Bring it a darker brown here. You'd think it'd get too salty, but it doesn't. I think the flour balances it out, and I don't use any additional salt. There you have it. Brown mushroom gravy, vegan style. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Tell me where you're coming from. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.
Hey, you!